See you other guys, my name is Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start today's video without any further delay. So basically in this video I'm gonna share you about the routine of 27th September 2025 and today is Saturday. So let's start. Yes, so basically today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, right? Then I clicked some photos of mine, right? And maybe one or more photo, right? Then after that I went to the computer class, and after that I came home, right? And so my father was cutting fruits, right? Then after that I had shoot on the video, and after that my brother-in-law posted a video on which I was riding bike with him, right? So at the time of evening I ate food, then after some time later I went for the sleep. So yes guys, this is the all the such kind of things what's actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please likes it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all guys what's actually happened. Now I'm gonna revise some vocabulary words, right? So let's start. मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स, औषधि विज्ञान संबंधी पेशेवर डॉक्टर. So whatever I speak in Hindi, that is written here. I am not speaking with my own words, right? कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, हृदय रोग. डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, त्वचा रोग. डायग्नोस्टिशियन, निदान विशेषज्ञ. So okay, wait, let's start again. कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ. डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, त्वचा रोग विशेषज्ञ. डायग्नोस्टिशियन, निदान विशेषज्ञ. यस. जेरिएट्रिशियन, ओके, वृद्ध रोग विशेषज्ञ. गाइनोकोलॉजिस्ट, स्त्री रोग विशेषज्ञ. ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन, प्रसूति विशेषज्ञ. ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट, नेत्र रोग विशेषज्ञ. यूरोलॉजिस्ट, मूत्र रोग विशेषज्ञ. ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट, हड्डी रोग विशेषज्ञ. पेडिएट्रिशियन, बाल रोग विशेषज्ञ. पैथोलॉजिस्ट, रोग निदान विशेषज्ञ. फिजिशियन, चिकित्सक. साइकेट्रिस्ट, मनोरोग चिकित्सक. यस. हॉस्पिटल टर्मिनोलॉजी. हॉस्पिटल, चिकित्सालय. बैंडेज, पट्टी. बॉटल, शीशी. व्हील चेयर, पहियों वाली कुर्सी. वार्ड, बच्चों का कक्ष. ब्लीडिंग, रक्त बहना. मेडिसिन्स, औषधियाँ. पिल्स, गोलियाँ. ब्लड प्रेशर, रक्तचाप. यूरिन टेस्ट, मूत्र परीक्षा. ब्लड टेस्ट, रक्त परीक्षा. स्ट्रेचर, रोगी को लिटाकर ले जाने का साधन. डेड बॉडी, लाश. सर्जरी, चीरफाड़. सर्जियन, चीरफाड़ करने. टूल टेस्ट, ओपीडी, आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट. बाहर में रोगियों का विभाग. डोज, दवाई की खुराक. ओके. थर्मामीटर. डॉक्टर. नर्स. ऑपरेशन थिएटर, चीरफाड़ का कमरा. स्पेशलिस्ट, विशेषज्ञ. ईसीजी, हृदय की यांत्रिक परीक्षा. फ्रैक्चर, हड्डी का टूट जाना. मेडन, निरीक्षक. होम, जच्चागृह. कॉटन, रुई. लेडीज वार्ड, स्त्रियों का कक्ष. प्लास्टर. मिक्सचर, द्रव मिश्रण. टेम्परेचर, तापमान वाला. डॉक्टर. एक्सरे. एम्बुलेंस, रोगी वाहन. अनकॉन्शियस, मूर्छित. राइट. नाउ डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. ओके. प्रोटीन, क्वासियोरकर एंड मेरासम्स. ओके. आयरन, अनीमिया. आयोडीन, गोइट्रे. पोटेशियम, हाइपोकैलेमिया. सोडियम, हाइपोनेट्रेमिया. विटामिन ए. नायोट, ब्लाइंडनेस. जर्पथैल्मिया. विटामिन B1. बेरी. विटामिन B2. एरिबोफ्लोइनोसिस. विटामिन B5. पेलेग्रा. vitamin B12, pernicious anemia, C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets, children, and osteomalacia adults. Okay. Okay. Now, disease and causative agents for, okay, bacteria. So, causative agent bacteria and diseases: diphtheria, gonorrhea, meningitis, and so many disease names here. Then causative agent virus, protozoans, fungus, helminths, and some disease name. Right. Now, stars and heavenly bodies. Okay, sun, Surya, moon, Chandrama, stars, tare, galaxy, Tara Samu, planets, nakshatra, grah, sky, Akash, Milky Way, Akash Ganga, lunar eclipse, Chandra Grahan, universe, Brahmand, um, अंतरिक्ष, कॉस्मोस ब्रह्मांड, हॉरिजॉन क्षितिज, स्पेस अंतरिक्ष, पोलस्टार ध्रुव तारा, एक्लिप्स ग्रहण, सोलर एक्लिप्स सूर्य ग्रहण, मेटियोर मेटियोर उल्का. Okay, natural calamities, avalanches, हिमस्खलन, क्लाउड बर्स्ट, बादलों का फटना, ड्रॉट सूखा, अर्थक्वेक भूकंप, एपिडेमिक महामारी, फेमाइन अकाल, फ्लड बाढ़, हेल स्टॉर्म ओलावृष्टि, लैंडस्लाइड्स भूस्खलन, स्टॉर्म गेल तूफान, सी स्टॉर्म समुद्री तूफान, सुनामी समुद्री लहरें, वोल्केनो ज्वालामुखी. Okay, now countries and their inhabitants, देश और उनके निवासी. Okay, Algeria, Algerian singer, Australia, Australian actor, something like that. America, American, Burma, Burmese, Bhutan, Bhutanese, China, Chinese, Cuba, Cuban, Egypt, Egyptian. Okay, France, French, Georgia, Georgian, Grenada, Grenadian. Okay, Greece, Greek, India, Indian, Ireland, Irish, Italy, Italian, Nepal, Nepalese, Pakistan, Pakistani, Russia, Russian. So something like this, what is actually we get to know regarding about countries and their inhabitants. Like we are Indian, right? So the people who is from India, so for them we are Indian, right? The people who is watching, they are Indians in India. The people who is watching in India my video, they are Indian, right? Of course there are some rule, some foreigner if came in India, then that will be not counted. It is some citizenship, resident, these such kind of things, but we have to think about it, right? So yes, but it is simple. The person who is in whose origin is America, so he is American. If India, then Indian. Then Nigeria, Nigerian. Okay, sorry, wait a second. Here is not Nigeria about any country. Here is not written. Here is Algeria, right? Algeria for Algerian. China, Chinese. So something this, like something this is the such kind of words, but we have to think about it, right? So with this particular video, I talk about my routine. I also talk about some vocabulary words, but for the upcoming videos I would like to talk about some interesting thing regarding famous books and Indian authors, right? Basically their books and their authors name, right? So something these such kind of things what I want to tell you to the upcoming videos, right? So this is all guys, what is actually happened to this particular video. So I think that guys it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you, Adi. Bye bye.